Hello and welcome to my channel. You're about to see my Kroger and second Publix haul for this week. We needed granola in our emergency food pantry, and here are the deals. For Kroger, I purchased 8 of these. They're on the Mega for $1.99. You must buy 5 in order to get the Mega sale price for $1.99. And then at Kroger, I also purchased this coffee, which I've already tried and loved. I've had 3 cups and it was delicious. Next deal is at Publix. These Cascadian Farm granolas. They are $4.19 regular price, and then the BOGO price is $2.10. I have 2 of the apple cinnamon, that one. 1 of the fruit and nut. 1 of the French vanilla. Also on that transaction, I purchased 1 of these, and they're on BOGO this week, $4.59, and the single purchase makes it $2.30 for 1. Then next, I purchased the BANDAIDS. They're $1.99 each. That's this one. I have 2. I used this coupon, $3 on 2. So that made it about $1 for that. There's an Ibotta rebate. There may be one. I've already used mine, so I paid $1 for that. Next, and the coupon is found in the extra savings booklet, which is in the same place as the weekly ads at Publix. It's a store coupon. And this coupon is on the very back page of the booklet. And next, and this was a separate transaction here, these 4. So I purchased this one at regular BOGO price, which was $2.30. But then later, I did this deal here, which is an amazing deal. I purchased 4 of these, 2 of the oat and honey, and 2 of the cranberry. So I purchased 4, 2 of each. And I used this coupon for $1 off. Okay. For each, I had 1 for each box, so 4 coupons. And here's the receipt. So they're $4.49 regular price, $4.59 regular price, $2.30 BOGO price. So $2.30 and $1 off coupon makes it $1.30 per bag after the coupon. And I had a coupon for each one. And so I paid $5.55 out of pocket for these 4, which was an amazing deal. Love, love, love this deal. And I'll show you the box. Let's step over here for a second. These are the boxes of granola that the coupon is found on. As you can see right down here, it says save 4. And all of the boxes don't have coupons on them, just this particular one that has that on the front, and then the coupon is on the back, and it's right here. this one. Okay, see that? Okay, and we love this granola. Sometimes we'll have it for oatmeal. All you do is put this in a cup and pour hot water over it. And you might want to add walnuts or any type of nuts. And it's really good that way. Right here, all of these is 4 boxes of that. Where I got the coupons. So yes, and I got the other box there. So that's 4 boxes where I grabbed the coupon and went to the store. So yeah, and there the granolas. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And I'll give you another look here for those. Got the Band-Aids, the coffee, the Cascading Farm cereal, and then we have the granolas. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.